Hello guys and welcome to a new Pixelmator tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create the Starburst diffusion effect, which is really cool and very simple to do as well. So just to give you guys a better idea, I'm going to open up the image in preview, and this is the image after, and the one I have opened up in Pixelmator is the one before. And you can clearly tell that there's some kind of diffused look added into the image to make it look even better and to make it stand out. And this is very simple to do, so let's just get on with the tutorial. First thing you want to do is you want to go into your layer and you want to duplicate it twice. So you have 3 of the same layers. Now what you want to do is you want to select the top layer and then go into filter, go into blur, and go into motion. And you'll see two things here, the radius and the angle. I want to set my angle to 45 degrees, anything around that, and the radius or the distance to be 35. And then click OK, and you'll see there's some kind of stroke added into the image. Now go ahead and select the second layer and do the same. Go to filter, blur, and motion. But the only difference this time is you want to set the angle to minus 45 or negative 45 degrees instead of the 45 you did before. And the radius and the distance will stay the same. So in this case I had 35. And click OK. And there'll be the stroke will be in a different direction this time, the opposite direction of the previous layer. So if we just uncheck the layer, you'll see that the stroke is in a different direction. What you want to do now is you want to select the top layer and change the blending mode to screen. Now command and click on the second layer, so you'll be selecting both of the layers. Now go ahead to layer and click on merge layers, and you see that those two layers become one. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead to your blending mode and click on screen once again, and you'll see that the effect has been added in and it looks really cool. But the only problem now is that it's way too bright. Well, so we can change this by just going to image and going into levels and just simply turn the black a bit higher, so about this much, and click OK. And what we want to do now is just give the face, so the tiger's face here is just a bit too bright here, and I just want to reduce the brightness. So simply go into your paintbrush tool and get the blending to be darken and get the opacity to be 50%. Now simply paint over and you'll see that it gets rid of the effect in the tiger's face. Just like this. And you can tell now that the effect has been added in and it looks really awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Definitely more tutorials coming up, and I'll catch you guys later. Cheers.